me get in Anand Ranganathan. And Anand Ranganathan, my question is, if Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has to issue orders कि भाई मोहल्ला clinics should have medicines, please solve the shortages of medicines, please solve the water crisis, he has to send letters and orders from jail, then what are the ministers of these departments actually doing? They should resign because Arvind Kejriwal बेचारे जेल से उनको दिल्ली का ध्यान रखना पड़ रहा है.
नाविका, काफी सारे मिनिस्टर्स जेल में ही तो हैं, तो वहीं पे बातचीत होके नोटिफिकेशन आई. नो, बट एटलीस्ट ऑन द, देखिए रवि जी भी हंस चुके हैं. मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं, एटलीस्ट ऑन द क्वेश्चन ऑफ पासवर्ड, देयर इज अ नवंबर 2022 दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट दैट एन accused cannot be forced to share the password. So as far as that is concerned, at least Arvind Kejriwal is within his civil rights to not give away the password that the investigative agencies are asking. But that said, the court has said that that does not bar the investigative agencies to crack the password. So Arvind Kejriwal might not, maybe in his rights to not give the password, but the ED and CBI or other agencies can certainly go to the forensic departments and get the password cracked. As far as the other issue is concerned, Navika, I ask you a very simple question, और ये आप और लोगों से पूछ लीजिए, तहसीन मेरे भाई से पूछ लीजिए, रवि जी जो मेरे दादाजी की उम्र के, उनसे पूछ लीजिए, क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ये नहीं कहा था कि अगर कोई एक्विजिशन आती है करप्शन की किसी भी लीडर पे तो सबसे पहले उसको रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए? यस और नो, ये सवाल पूछिए. बाकी बहुत हो गया. यस और नो.
As an activist, he had responded that, not as a chief minister of the
so activist अलग था और chief minister का अलग है. नियत बदल गई.
10 साल पहले तो मोदी जी भी बहुत सारे वादे करके आए थे. 400 लाख करोड़ आ रहे.
अच्छा, तो आप मोदी जी के रास्ते में चलने आए थे, आप बाकी पॉलिटिशियंस के रास्ते में चलने आए थे. Gaurav Bhatia, then what's the difference between Kejriwal and anybody else? Tehseen Poonawalla, Mr. Kejriwal promised that he will not do what other politicians do. If he's doing what exactly other politicians are doing, how's he different?
No, he isn't. The Amna movement, and I'm saying this very openly, I've already said it, Times Now gave me the first platform. It was a sham movement. I think all of these guys needed to be pulled up, and the life's come full circle for Arvind Kejriwal. Having said that, I still stand up for Arvind Kejriwal's liberty because there is a money trail in this case, and as Ravi Srivastava rightly said, that money trail is P. Sarath Chandra Reddy and the BJP. A man who pays BJP 5 crore rupees, then becomes an approver, then gets bail and pays another 35-40 crores, whatever is paid to the BJP. That's the money linkage, clear as daylight. No. And number two, Article 20 of our Constitution gives you a fundamental right not to indict yourself. So when Gaurav says, look, Manish Sisodia has not got bail, Sanjay Singh has not got bail in ED, except for 10 or 12 cases, in 10,000 odd cases, you don't get bail because of the twin conditions that you're guilty until you prove yourself innocent, and in a bail hearing, you don't go into facts of the case. So you won't get bail in ED cases. It's extremely difficult to get bail. And in cases where somebody's got anticipatory bail and gone to the ED arrests them in another case. That's the way ED is behaving. So that is something all of us as citizens should understand, and it is something that we should worry that what Ravi Srivastava said is right, that an email was planted.
On a phishing expertise. 1 minute, let me ask the question. The ED is in the wrong on a phishing expedition, but the Supreme Court has denied bail to Manish Sisodia, to Sanjay Singh. They have been behind bars. High Court, Supreme Court, everybody denies them bail. But the same Supreme Court actually goes against the government on the electoral roll issue.
I'm not saying Supreme Court is going against the government is pro-government. I'm not saying that. You see, the law passed only in Lok Sabha. It was passed as a finance bill. So it don't go to Rajya Sabha. Makes the twin condition that even the Supreme Court can't give you this.
Gaurav Bhatia, 30 seconds.
12 cases have got
30 seconds. Gaurav Bhatia, please respond.
Can I respond?
Yes, sir.
You know, Navika, on the bail part, I will tell you that DK Shivkumar got bail.
Yeah,
and then there is a bigger relief that can be sought, quashing of the case itself. DK Shivkumar in a PMLA case succeeded before the Honorable Supreme Court. So that means if Arvind Kejriwal would have approached the Supreme Court and if there was no case, he would have got relief. But Manish Sisodia was denied bail by the Supreme Court. You know why? Because even the Supreme Court remarked that they were looting the exchequer and they were looting the people of Delhi. I think that is a very serious charge. These are all flimsy arguments being made before you. The reality is Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin. He was chairing the meetings when the policy was formulated. He said Vijay Nair is his boy to an accused called Sameer Mahindru. And these facts are all recorded.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this case, we hope it uncovers fast, because Delhi needs to know what really happened in this liquor scam, who is to be blamed, and is this only political shenanigans, or is it really a trail of a scam that is being uncovered? These questions will continue to be asked this political season. We leave it at that. But Arvind Kejriwal being in jail and running a government from jail is a first. Something that he preached, certainly not being followed in his own case. Is this what political promises, and is this how politicians set themselves apart from Aam Aadmi? That's the question we're asking on the News Hour Tonight. Good night. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour Tonight.